All right, let's see if we can't pop this thing open. Let's open this up. If your original or current cabin filter is full of sunflower seeds, it might be time to change it, because you do want to make sure you get the airflow the same as it was. And see the sun through it. This guy was plugged up. And now we're going to check the engine air filter. And I know this thing's going to be dirty after the year we've had, especially with all the wildfire smoke we've had hanging around Minnesota. Let's take a look. Oh, it doesn't look good at all. Folks, this is beyond, way beyond what you should be dealing with. And I really think that is the wildfire smoke. We're going to try to clean the filter holder area out a little bit. There's plenty of dust in there, and I removed a couple of deceased insects. And now it should slide right in there, right back in there, and she can breathe again. Hey drivers, we've had a heck of a summer. Here where I am in Minnesota, we've had a ton of wildfire smoke come down. It's reduced visibility at times, and I'm going to blame most of what we saw on those two filters on the smoke that went through them. I can't blame the sunflower seeds. That must have been some kind of a critter. I'm on the trail. I'm going to find it, and I'm going to let the cat take care of it. But change your filters, especially if you're in the top half of the country.